guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Karina and I'm Swatch Queen. So for today's video, I'm going to create a look using this palette right here. You can't see it, but there is an embossed KKW Beauty on the outer package. This is the new KKW Beauty Crystallized Palette. I love the packaging so much. It has a holographic, it's white holographic. It's so simple, but it's still so chic. Inside is gonna be like this. There are 10 brand new shadows from KKW Beauty. So for this palette, I think that they combine the warm colors on top and the cooler tones at the bottom. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna show you guys swatches of these shadows, and also I'm gonna do a tutorial. I'm gonna start with the warm shades first. I actually enjoy KKW Beauty mattes. I think that they blend very well. These are the warm shades. From top, Monochrome, Sunstone is the orange, Crystallized is the pink glitters, Brown Matte is Tiger's Eye, and the last one is Mother of Pearl. Alright, next I'm gonna swatch the cool tones. Cashmere Luster, next is New Moon. Liquid Platinum, Lava Stone. Last shade is Precious Metal. Alright guys, so these are the swatches. Okay, so let's try it. For my first brush, MAC 224. First, I'm going to put this color right here all over my lid. It's called Monochrome. This color is a cream color, which is nice to set your concealer as a primer on your lids. Next, I'm going to get this color right here. I'm gonna go for a warm look today. This one is orangey. I'm gonna try a little bit. Okay. Alright, it's not too orangey. This kind of orange is a terracotta orange, and it's a kind of orange that is good for everyday look. Next, I'm gonna use Moda Pro BMX 466. I got this from BoxyCharm. I'm gonna get this color right here, Tiger's Eye. Okay, I'm gonna put this all over my lid. Just right under the orange shadow. I am gonna put the same shade under my eyes. Alright, Next, I'm going to use Give Me Glow Cosmetics Glow Harder. This is a glitter shadow primer. What I love about this glitter primer is it is clear. It's not going to smudge your eyeshadow. And the trick about this eyeshadow primer is wait for it until it's tacky, then lay the shadows that you want. I'm just gonna use my finger and get this shadow right here. It's Mother of Pearl. And I'm gonna press close to my lash line. Okay, last shadow I'm gonna use is this one right here. So I used all the warm colors. This one is the crystallized shade. Should be good because it was named after the palette itself. Under my eye, inner corner. Subtle, very subtle, that shade. Including in the Crystallized collection, I also got the lip liners, and I can't live without these liners. I love the formula so much. I really want to try them out. There are 8 mini lip liners in this set. 4 they already had in their collection, and the other 4 are brand new. Taupe Wood, which is new. Classic Kim is new. I'm gonna swatch it. 90s Supermodel, I have that already. 90s Glam, I have that already. Those are from the matte collection. Nude Lip 1.5, I have that one. Suede Rose, it's new. Nude number 2, I have that. Rosette, it's brand new. All right, so I'm gonna swatch the 4. Okay, number 1 is Taupe Wood. Next is Classic Kim. Next is Suede Rose. That's pretty, it's pinkish. And the last one is Rosette. Let's try Rosette because I really like tone. Alright guys, so this is the shade Rosette. I love it so much and it matches my eyes. I forgot to put eyebrow mascara, so I'm going to lift that up with my Morphe. This one is my favorite. It lasts longer than other brands. This one is the brow setting gel from Morphe and it's only $6. Alright, so this is the look with the lip liner Rosette, but I bought the Classic Kim liquid lip. I got this from Black Friday sale. This one is the semi-matte liquid lip. It's in the shade Classic Kim. I really want to try it with the lip liner Classic Kim. I'm gonna change it and show you guys. I'm gonna start with the lip liner Classic Kim. Next, I'm going to put the liquid lip, semi-liquid lip. If you want to blend your lip liner and your liquid lip, keep doing this. If it's creamy enough, it's gonna blend on its own. But if you can't do that, get a blending brush, like a small blending brush, like this kind of brush, and blend it. Alright, I'm done. So what I think about this palette, if you have a lot of KKW Beauty palettes, I don't think you need this in your collection. But if you're a collector like me, yes, you do need it. The packaging is so fun. I love this packaging. I think this is my favorite packaging from KKW Beauty. I love the KKW Beauty mattes. The matte formula is fantastic. I enjoy them all the time. But for some reason, I had a hard time blending this shade right here. There's something about shadows that have a lot of red pigment. They're kind of harder to blend. This one is a very reddish brown. This shade right here is super fun. I love it so much. I would actually buy this palette just for this. And this one right here, the crystallized shade, is not my favorite. For the cool tones, I cannot speak for them because I haven't tried them, but I will soon. So I'm gonna update that on the description box below. For the mini lip liners, I love them so much, especially the new shades. They're so much fun. I love mini lip liners. I can put them in my purse. And for the new shades, I enjoy them so much. So pretty, especially the color Reset. I also like the shade on my lips, which is Classic Kim. I think it's a new favorite. There's something about KKW Beauty lip liners. The shades are spot on. Her nudes are just really good. She can make hundreds of nude shades and they're all beautiful. All right guys, so this is it for the look. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise that I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, my name is Karina and I'm Swatch Queen. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Bye!